How to add song on Instagram post. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom you'll find different options. Tap on this plus option. With that, your gallery will open up. Now over here you can find different options. Make sure you set it to post. Now you can select picture to upload. I'm gonna select this one. In the case you want to select multiple pictures, you can tap on this icon. Now select multiple pictures, and after you do that, tap on the option of next. From here you can add filters to your post and then tap on next. From this page you can easily add song to your post. Tap on the option add music. Now over here you're gonna find tons of music options. Likewise at the top you will see this search box. Over here you can just type in the name of the song that you want to add to your Instagram post. After song appears, tap on it. Now over here you will find this rectangle box. You can swipe right and left to this box and select particular part of the music. And if you tap over here you can select clip duration. You can set it up to 90 seconds. After you do that, tap on done. Again tap on done. Now you can add a caption to your post, likewise tag people, add location, and then tap on share. So you can see that I have uploaded post along with the song. So this is how you can easily add song on Instagram posts. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.